Hey guys, Rick back, giving you another update on the Foltz Bailey Railroad. I've actually shot this video. This will be take number 4. I didn't realize the 3 times that I took the first 3 segments, there was an issue with my wife's camera where the audio and the video was not in sync. And I didn't know that until I spent the hour and a half trying to download it into my computer. But turns out I needed an upgrade in the firmware in the camera. So I got that all set, and it seems to have fixed the problem. Unfortunately, all of the video that I took that I wanted to show you, I now can't use. So I did a little work on the layout. I'm going to show you the final result. I know I explained what I was doing before, but now you'll actually be able to see some of it. But I wish I could have shown you the before and not just the after. But let me go ahead and get to it, and I'll flip you around here and you can see what's going on. So, as I explained to you before, I've got 3 main lines here on the upper deck of the Foltz Bailey Railroad, and what I've done is I got these inclines from Woodland Scenics. I bought the 2% incline and the 3% incline, and you can see here from the box, in case you guys have never seen this before, they come in sections. At least this particular kit does, and it's just these pieces of flexible styrofoam, so you can mold them around however you want. What I have here is on the outside is my 2% grade, because it's longer. And on the inside, I've got my 3% grade. And as you can see from the center here, let me get that out of the way, my 2 middle lines here, line 2 and line 3, are going to come off there, come up and around. My intention was that they would meet over there, but I got a little height difference that I got to play with. Then they're both going to come across here, and then this is where the bridge is going to be. And then they will meet up over there and continue around the back side of the layout and come back into Switch Junction over there. So that's what I've been working on. Right now, these things are just tacked down with some foam pins. They will get plaster cloth put on top, and then cork road bed will go on top of that, and then the track will go on top of that. So I thought I was being smart about it, but it turns out I wasn't. I had thought that the 2% and the 3% grade both ended at a 4-inch height. As you can see right there, I was wrong. So the 2% grade actually comes all the way around the backside, and then you can see over here where the track meets here. This is all going to be covered. All this over here is going to be covered. There's going to be a tunnel portal here. So when the train on track 1 actually comes through there, that's going to be like a little bridge. I'm not sure if I'm going to do a trestle there or if I'm going to do a covered bridge with like stonework. But the train will go in there, and then you won't see it until it comes out over here. So I pinned this 2% grade down, and then it continues over there, and then it will end over there. The 3% grade, because it's higher in height, it's smaller in length. So it begins over there, comes all the way around. This one stops here, makes a short jump there. I'm going to have to maybe put some balsa wood down or something to make those connections. And then when I get over here, this small chunk that you see here is actually the only remaining part of the 3% grade. So I've got all this for the 2% and only that for the 3, which isn't a problem. I can always build this up with something else. But my problem is this was supposed to be the beginning of a bridge, and now they're at 2 separate heights. So I'm going to have to either bring this up a little bit somehow to make that match, or figure it out somehow. But that's the work that I've gotten done so far on the railroad. Like I said, the next segment is going to be gluing this down, which I've heard the best way to do that with this material is through hot glue. And then the plaster cloth, road bed, and then track, and then we can test track. So probably won't get to it until after the holidays, but I had a little time in between wrapping presents and being with the family to get some work done the other night. Surprisingly, what you see only took about 45 minutes. This stuff is awesome. I would definitely use it again, and I highly recommend it if any of you guys have to do inclines. It beats doing steppers of plywood or 2x4s. The one kit was only, well, actually each kit was only $15.99. So it's not although there is an expense there, it didn't seem to like break the budget. They also do make a 4% grade, which is even shorter. And I don't know if my trains can do 4%, but that is an option. I'm not being sponsored by Woodland Scenics to say that. I'm just giving you my review on what I think is an awesome product. So check it out if that's something you're interested in. That's it for my update. I don't have anything else done that I can show you. But if I don't talk to you guys between now and then, happy holidays, Merry Christmas, happy Kwanzaa, happy Hanukkah, and everything else that I may have missed. And I'll probably see you around in the chats. I heard from a little elf that Santa Claus is going to make a stop over at Sparky's place on Christmas Day and help him out with his live stream. There's going to be chat. There's going to be prizes. There's going to be jokes, laughter, prizes. There's going to be probably a contest and a game. And did I mention some prizes? If you get a chance, and I really hope you do, Wednesday night live chat, Sparky 107. Check it out. I'll be there. I hope you guys are too. See you on Christmas Day. And again, happy holidays, and I'll catch you then.